Good morning. I'm going to do something a little different today. I've got a special guest. We are going to have an unboxing, so stick around. And this is Fox Ridge State Park, so come along and help us unbox this. Okay, so this is my special guest, Caitlin, my granddaughter.
Hello.
So she has started a YouTube channel too, but you've got one video up?
Yeah, I just made it today. It's Elite Enderman or Elite ND.
Okay, yeah. Well, we'll tag you in it. All we got to do is, I think, touch the name. Because when I tag you in it, then they can go right straight to it. I believe that's how it works. So what we're going to do today is I got some merch in that come from my Spread Shop store. And so we're going to open it so that all of you can see it too. So maybe I'll let Caitlin open it. Let's open it this way so they can see it. Oh, wow. I have to keep to adjusting here. I'm going to open it. Just kind of be careful because there's clothes in there, okay? Let me do the side.
If we can get it.
Okay, go ahead and retract that so we don't accidentally cut ourselves.
Yeah.
All right. All right. Ooh. So you go ahead, open one, and I'll open one. Make sure everybody can see it. You have to show both cameras. Let me see what it is. Are they stickers?
Yeah, it's sure
Yeah,
stickers.
yeah, show them both a sticker. I've got a few of them. Show your camera too?
Yep.
Okay.
So these are basically all.
Let me open this one.
These are all tabs.
Was there 6 of them there? Can you count them for me? I think that's what I ordered.
1, 2.
Okay, so they have, their packaging is a little weird. It's got this cardboardy stuff. I'm sure that's protected, but it's gotta be a mess. Okay. Yeah. They individually package this. This is a magnet. So it's got my Buddy, the little squirrel on there. Put that over there. I thought they would be all together, like the stickers were.
It does fly in your face.
Yeah.
Oh, no.
Yeah, another one. There should be 6 of these.
Yeah, then these 2 must be.
Yeah, we don't have to open them all.
Yeah.
But
Okay.
I know that's what they are.
Well, these 2. Let's throw these away.
Yep. See another one.
Oh, I guess I'll just keep them.
Throw it down here. We'll throw them in the trash.
Oh, wait.
Well, after you take them out.
These ones are the full ones.
Yeah. These should be, well, we'll
These
just
are the trash.
move it out of the way.
That is trash.
I'll just throw it all over there. And this should be the same thing, I think.
Yeah, it looks like it.
Yes. Well, it says on here, too, what it is. So go ahead and get the next item.
Ooh.
Can we still see you?
Bucket hats.
This is a bucket hat. Try it on.
I can't fit it.
Shake. You might want to shake it out a little bit. Is it
My
bucket?
head can't fit a bucket. I got my dad's head.
Oh. Let me see. That got lint on it.
Yeah, probably have those in
So
the
let's
shirts.
see. Okay. Well, I don't usually wear hats unless it's wintertime, but
Guess you better
it's
than
kind
me.
of small, isn't it?
Yeah, that'll fit my head.
So, well, it'll work. So I'll keep the sun off my head. Put this over there. Go ahead. This is a polo.
Polo shirts with, again, her YouTube logo. Just get the. I'll put those on.
Oh. Oh yeah, I got two shirts. Two different types of shirts.
That's what it's
I think I put that on the back, so, because these are customizable. You can, if you go in to order, you can customize them for yourself with that logo. If you want it on the front, you can put it on the front, or on the back, or you can, that's just a regular t-shirt. Or you can even put your name on it, I believe. This is a computer backpack. I thought that would come in real handy.
Cool.
There is a regular backpack on the website. So that is the end of that. So you have anything else to add? Hopefully, was that 3 minutes? 6 minutes. It is over 3 minutes. That's good. So
Bye, guys.
what have you been up to lately?
Nothing much. I put on notification.
Oh, yeah. So she graduated last year.
Oh, in May.
Well, in May. Yeah, it wasn't last year, but so we're camping season's kind of slowing down. I've got other things I want to try to get done and bills to pay off like everybody. But so that's it until we can figure out another episode to do together. So we'll see you later, guys. Bye.
Bye.
Hey guys, I wanted to pop back on there real quick. There are other designs if you don't want that one logo. There's a second logo. It looks like we're camping, but it's generated. And there are Halloween decorations on there. And later on, I'm going to have fall designs on there as well. So I got to get them done and get them on there. So come take a look. Tell me what you think. And order what you want.